Some houses make an entrance. Others make a statement. At Stonehill in Greenwich, Connecticut, the architecture manages to do both before you have even crossed the threshold. Perched atop more than 4 acres in the rolling landscape of Round Hill, this Georgian colonial manor embraces the timeless language of symmetry, proportion, and permanence. The residence feels less like a newly built home and more like a country estate that has quietly presided over the landscape for generations. The grand entry hall sets the tone, unfolding into a sequence of formal and informal rooms, where coffered ceilings, custom millwork, French doors, fireplaces, and carefully crafted architectural details create an atmosphere of understated grandeur. Yet the home's greatest achievement may be how comfortably it balances tradition with contemporary living. A sprawling kitchen and family room anchors daily life, while amenities, including a wine cellar, theater, gym, spa suite, and recreation spaces, transform the lower level into a destination of its own. Outside, the estate reveals its playful side. Stone terraces frame sunset views, while an infinity-edge pool, outdoor kitchen, pizza oven, bocce court suggest that the designers understood an important truth: luxury should occasionally know how to have fun. The result is a home that feels equally suited to hosting a black-tie dinner, a summer weekend gathering, or an impromptu family pizza night. Not every Georgian manor can claim that kind of versatility.